Welcome to this tutorial. How to control which OneDrive files are available offline. Are you running out of storage on your PC because OneDrive is sensing everything? Do you want to access only selected files offline and keep the rest online only? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to control which OneDrive files are available offline. Let's jump right into the different ways you can manage file availability. Method 1. Open File Explorer and click on the OneDrive folder from the left sidebar. Right-click on any file or folder you want to make available offline. Click Always Keep on this device from the context menu. The green checkmark icon will appear once it's downloaded and available offline. To free up space, right-click the file or folder again. Click Free Up Space to remove the offline copy but keep it on the cloud. Method 2. Click the OneDrive icon in the system tray again. Go to Settings and then select the Account tab. Click the Choose Folders button next to your OneDrive account. Uncheck any folders you don't want to sync locally. Click OK to apply the changes. Those folders will stay in the cloud and not appear in File Explorer. You can re-enable them anytime by checking them again. Now you know multiple ways to control file availability in OneDrive. Choose the method that fits your workflow and system setup best. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.